Affiliate marketing can truly change your life. I have seen it happen for thousands of people, and I have experienced it myself. It is a powerful business model where you can earn a real, substantial income. The best part is you do not have to create your own product. You do not have to worry about inventory, shipping, customer support. Your primary job is to serve an audience. You create helpful, valuable content that guides people to a solution. When they purchase that solution through your unique affiliate link, the product owner pays you a commission. Your task is simple in concept. Be the trusted guide who connects people with the products that can help them. This essay is designed to give you a clear, no-fluff blueprint. It is the exact plan I would follow if I were starting from scratch today, in 2026. Many enthusiastic people jump into affiliate marketing full of hope, only to quit just a few weeks or months later. Understanding why others fail is the first step toward ensuring your own success. There are 3 primary reasons this happens, and they are all completely avoidable. First, and most commonly, beginners spend too much money on paid ads too soon. Ads can be powerful in expert hands, but for beginners, they are often a quick way to lose money. Profitable campaigns need audience insight, compelling copy, and constant testing. Second, promoting the wrong products or using the wrong platform for your audience. Align your platform to where your audience already spends time. Third, inconsistency. One post isn't enough. Affiliate marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. Show up regularly, build authority, and the commissions follow. In a world full of gurus shouting about ads and virality, I offer a calmer path: organic traffic. Organic is when people naturally find your content without paying for attention. It's not a loophole. It's a durable asset that serves for years. It costs time, not money, perfect when budgets are tight. Every piece works 24/7 to attract your ideal audience. Organic strategy forces focus on a niche, deeper trust, better conversions. Speak to specific people with specific needs. Ads change, costs rise. What works today may be banned tomorrow. Searchable, evergreen content is resilient and keeps earning. Build on value, not shifting sands. Stability brings peace of mind. Traffic is only half the equation. The other half is conversion, turning visitors into buyers. 1 million views without purchases equals $0. Target buyer intent keywords. People ready to buy. Answer their purchase-ready questions. Be on their path. Build searchable, evergreen content. Don't chase vanity metrics. Chase commissions. 1,000 targeted views with sales beats, 100,000 general views with none. Serve people close to buying, help them decide confidently, and you'll be rewarded. Let's distill everything into a simple formula. This is the core engine of the strategy. Content funnel system, plus organic traffic strategy. Sustainable affiliate income. 2 concepts, executed consistently, remove guesswork. One attracts the audience, the other guides to purchase. This covers the whole journey, from discovery to purchase. Choose a niche, target buyer intent, create searchable content. Then funnel that traffic with trust-building content toward the right product. Meet people where they are, increase conversion rates, and turn viewers into loyal customers. A content funnel is just content for each stage of the buying journey. Guide people from problem to solution. Top of funnel, awareness and education. Broad questions, low conversion, big reach. Middle of funnel, people know their problem. They compare solutions. Help them evaluate options. Still help first, not hard selling. Bottom of funnel, ready to buy. Highly targeted reviews and comparisons. Use clear calls to action and affiliate links. Audience is smaller, but buyer intent is high, so conversions are higher. A complete strategy includes content at all 3 levels. Creating content can feel intimidating, especially at the start. You don't need to be the top expert, just a helpful guide. Step 1. Research. Curate well-researched posts, manuals, and customer reviews. Consolidate facts, features, benefits, and complaints into one document. Step 2. Use AI to outline or draft. Paste notes with a clear prompt for a review script. You'll get a structured outline and first draft in seconds. Step 3. Personalize. Inject stories, experience, and opinion to build trust. Rephrase to sound like you. People connect with people, not algorithms. Step 4. Record. Go faceless with screen capture, B-roll, and simple animated slides. Or go on camera. Either way, prioritize clear audio. Edit tight. Use text overlays to emphasize key points. Present personalized insights simply so they're easy to consume. That human touch is what earns trust and sets you apart. Don't create from scratch for every platform. Create one-pillar video, review, tutorial, or comparison, optimized for buyer intent. Then clip short, compelling moments for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. Tools can auto-find highlights, focus on takeaways, surprises, opinions, quick tips. Include CTAs, full review in bio, or watch my full comparison on YouTube. Shorts act like ads for your long form, driving people to your affiliate links. Scale distribution with minimal extra effort. One asset fuels many. Consistency and patience. This isn't a lottery. It's brick by brick. Commit to a realistic publishing cadence you can sustain. Avoid shiny object syndrome. Stay focused on helpful, searchable content. Promote only what you believe in. Be transparent with affiliate links. Track what gets clicks and what converts into sales. Double down on winners. Make more of what works. Cut underperformers. Small tests compound into big gains. Iterate with data. That's how earnings scale. We've covered a lot. Now take action. First, pick a niche and find 3 products with strong reviews and clear use cases. Second, choose one long-tail buyer keyword to focus your first piece. Third, draft with AI, then personalize with your voice and insights. Fourth, record, keep edits simple, upload to YouTube, include keyword title, clear affiliate link, and disclosure. Fifth, hit publish. You've created your first affiliate asset. The model lets you focus on helping. Creators handle the rest. Your first commission is closer than you think. You can do this. Before you go, smash like, subscribe, and ring the bell. New guides weekly. Links below. Let's win together.